Making videos should be easy, anyone can do it. You don't need a course for it. Well, I understand why you might think that, because other people's videos always look like they came about spontaneous and with no problems at all. Why do you keep struggling and ending crying at take 29? Well, it's because it's not so easy to make videos yourself. There's lots of stuff that can go wrong. And I will tell you in this video how you can prevent yourself from slogging through months of failures with videos for your company and make it really easy on yourself. I'm Elizabeth from Top of Mind Video, and I help entrepreneurs to make the videos that their target audience loves to watch, and they keep watching until the end. So please keep watching this video, because I help you make those videos yourself too. I have to tell you this: if a good video looks like it came about spontaneous and easy, that's always a sign that there's a lot of time and thought have gone into it before the actual shooting of the video. A great video never happens by accident. But if you think about every step beforehand, you save yourself a lot of time and hassle. And your video will actually look like it was made with great ease. So, if you want to make a video for your business, don't start by fixing your hair or turning on your camera. No, you start by writing, brainstorming for topics, listing frequently asked questions, thinking what you want your target audience to know. And if you have a list of topics, you pick one and you write down what you exactly want to say about that. That will help you make the videos that your future client really wants to see. So, do you want to keep trying to make spontaneous videos, or do you want to take the step towards better videos made with less hassle and more ease? Please let me know what you choose. And if you want to start right away, fill out the form below this video and I will send you a great video script that you can use for all your videos.